Forgetting to pack the essentials for vacation can spoil any trip. But not remembering to prep your fridge before you leave for vacation can be the most rotten part. Funky smells, fuzzy food, and all that money wasted on ruined grub can turn anyone into a sour grape. To make sure your fridge is prepped, take the advice from Ronna Welsh, who wrote the book on food waste, and culinary experts CNET and Reviewed.com spoke with. Identify the usual suspects that go bad, like yogurt, cottage cheese, bags of salad, and leftovers. Force yourself to eat them before you leave, or be mindful and shop smarter before future trips. No one wants to be hit with mold after their vacation glow. Toss anything that will spoil. Freezing your meat puts it on pause and makes it fine to thaw and eat when you get back. Adding a box of baking soda to the fridge will help cut down on bad odors and put the brakes on mildew. If it's a quick getaway, turning off the ice maker will help save energy. The only ice you'll need is in a tropical drink on vacation. Cheers!